Florida Statute Section 733.604, Inventories and Accountings, Public Records Exemptions. Unless an inventory has been previously filed, a personal representative shall file a verified inventory of property of the estate, listing it with reasonable detail and, including for each listed item, its estimated fair market value at the date of the decedent's death. Any inventory of an estate, whether initial, amended, or supplementary, filed with the clerk of court in conjunction with the administration of an estate, is confidential and exempt from Section 119.07 subsection 1 and Section 24 subsection A, Article 1 of the state constitution. Any inventory of an elective estate, whether initial, amended, or supplementary, filed with the clerk of the court in conjunction with an election made in accordance with Part 2 of Chapter 732, is confidential and exempt from Section 119.07 subsection 1 and Section 24 subsection A, Article 1 of the state constitution. Any accounting, whether interim, final, amended, or supplementary, filed with the clerk of court in an estate proceeding is confidential and exempt from Section 119.07 subsection 1 and Section 24 subsection A, Article 1 of the state constitution. Inventory or accounting made confidential and exempt by subparagraph 1, subparagraph 2, or subparagraph 3 shall be disclosed by the custodian for inspection or copying to the personal representative, to the personal representative's attorney, to an interested person as defined in Section 731.201, or by court order upon a showing of good cause. These exemptions apply to any inventory or accounting filed before, on, or after July 1st, 2009. If the personal representative learns of any property not included in the original inventory, or learns that the estimated value or description indicated in the original inventory for any item is erroneous or misleading, the personal representative shall file a verified, amended, or supplementary inventory showing any new items and their estimated value at the date of the decedent's death, or the revised estimated value or description. Upon written request to the personal representative, a beneficiary shall be furnished a written explanation of how the inventory value for an asset was determined, or if an appraisal was obtained, a copy of the appraisal as follows. To a residuary beneficiary or heir in an intestate estate regarding all inventoried assets. To any other beneficiary regarding all assets distributed or proposed to be distributed to that beneficiary. The personal representative must notify each beneficiary of that beneficiary's rights under this subsection. Neither a request nor the failure to request information under this subsection affects any rights of a beneficiary in subsequent proceedings concerning any accounting of the personal representative or the propriety of any action of the personal representative. If you're interested in any of our services, please call 321-206-3603 or visit easlerlaw.com to book a consultation.